Now that Release Tracker is installed, let's walk through the configuration process. To start the configuration process for Release Tracker, click the Release Tracker icon from the menu on the left. Release Tracker will detect that initial setup is required. Click Run Setup to begin. The setup consists of 4 stages. The first stage is to enter your license key. If you don't have a key, click Request Free Trial and complete the questionnaire to get a trial key. To purchase a key, click Purchase License. If you already have a key, click Add License Key. This opens a pop-up where you can enter your key. After entering the key, click Change Key to validate it. Once the key is validated, you move on to the automated setup stage. This step makes several changes to your project. Each modification is listed in the on-screen checklist. To learn more about these changes, click Run Setup. A confirmation dialog will appear with a link providing additional details. Review the changes if needed, then click Run Setup to proceed. The automated setup may take some time. If you encounter any issues, our support team is here to assist you. Once this is complete, you will move on to the work item classification stage. This determines how Release Tracker categorizes your existing work items. There are 4 classification types. Not tracked, which means that Release Tracker will not track this work item in any way. New feature, which means that Release Tracker will consider any work item of this type as a new feature in your product. These may include features, product backlog items, or user stories. Improvement, which means that Release Tracker will consider any work item of this type as an improvement of your existing product. This is generally used for issues and bugs. And finally, Quality Assurance, which means that Release Tracker will consider any work item of this type to be part of your QA process. After assigning classifications, click Save. The final stage is to create your first release. This stage will start automatically. A work item creation form and release data editor will open. A help dialog will guide you through the process. You can dismiss it by clicking the X or access it later using the Help button at the bottom of the screen. First, you need to fill out the project name. Releases are a combination of a project and a version. You can track multiple projects from a single Azure DevOps instance. Generally, you can think of these as products that you release either internally or to your customers. In the future, existing projects will be available from the drop-down after clicking the text box. However, since there are no existing ones, you can type the name of your first project. Next, enter the version number of your release. Release Tracker supports both semantic versions and strings. Semantic versions are automatically sorted, while strings are sorted alphabetically. Once done, click the OK button. Then click Save and Close. The settings screen will close and the release overview screen will load. Congratulations! Release Tracker is now fully configured and ready to use.